Now let us discuss question number 20. If alpha and beta are the two roots of the equation x square minus 64x plus 256 is equal to 0. It's a direct problem of quadratic equation, and we have to find the value of this. So yes, this is given as alpha plus beta, which is 64 we have. Then we have alpha into beta, which is coming out to be 256. Now if you have been asked to find this value, what we have? We have alpha raised to the power 3 upon 8, beta raised to the power 5 upon 8, plus we have beta raised to the power 3 upon 8, then we have alpha raised to the power 5 upon 8. So you can just multiply these terms. What we get? We get alpha beta 5 by 8, and this is coming out to be alpha. So we write 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8 we have, plus beta raised to the power 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So this is what we have. We have alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta 5 by 8. So what we can do, we can just substitute the values here and we get the answer to be 2 here. Now friends, let's talk about question number 21. It states that set A has m elements and set B has n elements. If the total number of subsets of A is 112 more than the total number of subsets of B, then the value of m into n is 1. Now if I talk about the number of subsets, yes, the logic is 2 raised to the power m we have. If we have a set A which has m elements, so the number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power m. So when you talk about 2 raised to the power m, this is the first set we have, and then we have been given one more set B which has elements 2 raised to the power n and which is going to be 112. So we can just see by inspection, we can just find out that m is coming out to be 7 and n is coming out to be 4. So if I talk about the multiplication of 7 into 4, mn is coming out to be 28. The final answer is 28 we have. Now let's discuss question number 22. The angle of the elevation of the top of the hill from a point on the horizontal plane passing through the foot of the hill is found to be 45 degree. After walking a distance of 80 meters towards the top, up a slope inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the horizontal plane, the angle of elevation of the top of the hill becomes 75 degree. Then you have to find the height of the hill. Now you see what we have. We have been given this hill now, right? And this is the base I am talking about. So the angle of elevation of the top of the hill is somewhat like this has been given to us, which is 45 degree. Yes, this is 45 degree. After walking a distance of 80 meters towards the top, up a slope inclined at an angle of 30 degree. That means it moves somewhat like this. So this is going to be 30 degree, right? The angle of elevation of the top becomes 75 degree. That means again it changes. So this is coming out to be the 75 degree, right? So this is the diagram we have. So you can just have a look at this. This is A, this is B we have, this is C, this is D, and this is going to be O. So this is merely the problem based on heights and distance. The calculation is needed. If you know the idea of trigonometry of class 10th, you can solve it. Yes, the distance I am talking about is 80 meter. Again, this distance is needed, right? So you can do the calculation here, and the final answer what we'll get is 80 here. So hopefully this is clear to you.